Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today I'm here to Shantiniketan and I'm really late because I'm supposed to meet my friends at 6 and it's 5:20 already and I have a ton of stuff to do. I need to refuel, I need to get my bike out, I need to do my chain, get my air checked. So I'm gonna have to go and I'm gonna make this quick. Hope you guys like this video, stay tuned and enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, thanks guys, bye, gotta go. Okay, so I'm basically the first guy to have arrived over here. No one's here yet, if you can see. And yes, I've been waiting for them for like a good 10-15 minutes. They were supposed to be here by 6, but no one's here yet. Let's see.
We wanted to run, we wanted to fall together. Back then our world seemed so clear.
Okay, so we just had something to eat and now it's like 60 more kilometers. We're at Shaktigarh right now. We'll be there in, I don't know, another 1.5 hours I guess. So I'll see you once I'm there. Bye. अरे कोথায় চলে গেল वो अपने ही मौज में है वो बजाज भी
So bright, shimmering lights around us. We take flight into the sky. How many worlds would you cross to use the light that's right in front of you? There is no light on the other side. I say, look straight ahead and you will see. You will see.
शांतिनिकेतन में शांति. Okay, so it's lunchtime and my co-riders and they're having lunch over here. It's called 9x9 restaurant and it's here right by what they call Lodge Mall. They have a lot of different food and they have AC, which is like a very weird thing to have over here. I didn't have anything because I didn't want to eat anything because that would make me sleepy because I haven't slept last night. I also broke my sunglasses just now. A post office could have an ATM. It's a post office ATM. Off-roading! Okay, so after like 4 hours of riding, we're finally here, and this is Shantiniketan for you. Well, this is more of the secluded side. The ones you saw, the buildings you saw earlier on both sides of the road, or the alley, whatever you want to call it, was the buildings, and there was a museum, the mandir, and the ashram, and all of those. And it has been a good ride so far. Let's hope our ride back is safe. Thank you guys for watching. Take care and bye bye. See you next time. हाँ सर, हाँ बुझते पेरेছি। मत कर मत कर। इधर बॉडी का ठिकाना भी नहीं ले। जगह का नाम भी है गुस्काड़ा, नाम में भी गुस्सा है।